Hello guys, what's for? Alright, in this video we are going to be checking out the sources of some of the most popular sound effects. It does sound interesting enough for you, know the drill. Let's hop right into it.
You don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make. You can
Never make it.
You're supposed to be a dinner man,
Serving dinner to
the
children
students in secondary school. Because you cannot do basic 1+1. You are here breathing heavy like a dog.
Think about your life.
Think about your life. You are a failure.
You are a failure.
You can never make it.
You know you can never.
You can never. You know you cannot make it. You need to be cutting grass, making this place fresh for the actual footballers that want to use this place. You are tired. You are here. What have you done? Useless. Me with my pregnancy, I'm better than you. Idiots.
70 years old man. But when their people came, police with horses, with everything, patrol vehicle, were escorting them. And they were dancing and singing and abusing Charlie Boy. What is that Charlie Boy? So Mumu don't too much. Charlie Boy, I too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise?
You are a woman.
A Mumu man. And then blood the tear gas for something way bad for this issue. We just pray. They say our Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, they call other people Mumu. They never show you say you be Mumu. Nigeria is not for Desani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Okay. Nigeria is not for Good Luck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Dokbasara Diabal. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realize this, the better it will be for us. That
Nigeria is not for you.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Charlie Boy, Good Luck Jonathan. He want to be America, we know. Who is America? Don't be small North Korea, they knock America, yeah? Knock America, yeah? What America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a magic school with our money.
Oh.
Instead of this, they go Zingero.
Okay, I think the sound effect part is over. The rest of the video is just political stuff, which I'm sure we are not interested in. Let's check out the next video.
We bring in this.
Oh, it's my favorite. You know what? This one, it's not about really the video, but there was a beat that was made around the video. Like, okay, I think I will just keep on homing it until I get this back in my head. So let's check out the video.
We bring in my favorite this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
Me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who said I'm gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
You are gay.
You are transgender.
You are a transgender.
Okay, I think I get it. Why are you gay? You are gay. Oh, more. Oh, okay.
It shows that I'm gay.
You are a transgender, and you're a gay rights activist and an outspoken.
Okay, the rest is just boring interview, anyways. Hi guys, that's it for me for this video. Okay, I can stop my screen recording now. Alright guys, that's it for me for this video. Guys, remember to subscribe, share with your friends and family. And then this gay video, I think there's a sound effect to it. Just remember to share with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're interested in politics, I'll link the full video in the channel and the description below, so don't feel bad. It's not like I'm not interested in politics, but I'll link the full video in the description.